Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're unboxing slime. I'm so excited. And look at that. There's glitter for slime, but forget about the glitter. Let's open the slime. Wait, it has to be this way. We got the slime now. I'm gonna make it in the next video. This is so cool. There's so much stuff. So much. I think you can make your own slime. I think you can. Let's just open this one to see what it has. Okay, got it. What is... No way. Slime. This is so fun and cool. It's the most coolest slime ever. Now let's unbox another one. This one definitely needs something added. Needs this added. Just a little bit. This one is orange. It's orange balls for slime. This is also slow. I think this is slime. Nah, it's for the slime. And I'm gonna save it for the other slimes. Take it out. Wow. So much more fun. Way more fun. Subscribe to see part 2, guys. The video will end in a second. Ooh, what is this? Do you guys know what color this is? I know what color it is. It's purple, light purple. My favorite color is orange, guys. This is not my favorite color, but I'm just doing it next.
What's the quality of this slime? Is it good or is it bad?
Good. It does not stick. It's the best slime ever. Now I'm going to show my favorite color next. Actually, this one looks beautiful. I think I will show it off as a 10 out of 10. Yeah, this one is a 10 out of 10. Comment down below if this one is a 10 out of 10. If it looks like a 10 out of 10. And remove these so you guys can see the slime. It's basically gray glitter slime. It's just what I call the slime. I'll post another insect video tomorrow. This is not an insect video, but I'll just post an insect video tomorrow if you guys want to see it. Now this one is already looking beautiful. So I'm inside the container. If you guys want to go get these slime, there's a sale at Target to get some slime. Go get it right now because before they run out. We were so lucky to find this beautiful slime. Now let's put the lid on. A couple more to go. Make sure to always subscribe to me. I really think so, guys. Now this one already looks beautiful. I'll use these in the next video.
Can you make a slime glove?
Totally. Gonna see me make a slime glove? I already made one. It doesn't look that good, but it's still a slime glove because my handprint was on it. Ooh, this one looks beautiful. It's purple slime. This slime is too small, I think. Yep, it's too small. I think it needs... Actually, I'm using those in the next video. So I'm using these. The video is still gonna go. Was that satisfying? Bro, that was so satisfying. That was the most satisfying thing in the world. I think I beat the world record because of how satisfying that was. A little bit more. Now it looks more beautiful. Now it's ending. I'll see you guys in another video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye guys, I'll see you in another video.